Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Don Ron Bro Show here with Mr. Don Ron. Today it is April 7th, 2022. We have a great show planned for you guys today. I've been working on the stream a little bit, as you can see right here. $100 giveaway at 1,000 followers, and I have this thing right here to help us get to reach our goals here on the stream. But yeah, it's gonna be a good Thursday. We got a great show planned for you guys today. Let me know how you guys are doing. All right, what up? We got Longhorn in the chat. We got A Rodriguez in the chat. What's up, y'all? What's up? Nice to see you guys. Nice to have you guys here. Nice and early. We're gonna talk about a little bit about Bitcoin at the Bitcoin Miami 2022. See what's going on over there. There's a lot of people over there taking pictures with that bull with the laser eyes. We got some price predictions for Bitcoin coming up. Also apparently 40% of youngsters want to use crypto for payments. So that younger crowd, these youngsters, they're into crypto. They're trying to use crypto for payments. And top Bitcoin whales bought the dip again. Over 6,000 BTC in a day. So we have some interesting news today. Just to show you guys a little something I've been working on here. This is my little Zen garden. I know some of these plants are green, so you can't really see them that well, but it's pretty cute. It's pretty nice. It's coming along. Hopefully these don't die, and I'm able to keep them alive for a while. So there's one little Zen garden I wanted to show you guys, and here's the other one. Yeah, took me a couple of hours, but I was able to get it done last night. Yeah, so that's pretty cool stuff right there. My bonsai tree is down there, so he's doing great. Thanks for asking, guys. But let's get started with the show. Let's see what Piano Matty B has to say for the day. All right, so let's see what Piano Matty B has to say for TA Morning TA with Piano Matty B.
Bitcoin Crypto Morning TA. Good morning, everybody. It's April 7th, 2022. My name's Piano Matty B. That is Scaramucci's. This is your Morning TA. A brief glimpse to the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing, all the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bring in the data. The FOMO index has dropped to 34 from yesterday's 48, hurtling us back into a state of market fear. Bitcoin dominance is 41.2%. 24-hour volume is 117 billion. And the overall market cap is 2.05 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Whoa, B minor 7th over G. It's a distant cousin of G major 7th. A lot of you might figure that out and leave in the comments like you always do. I know who you are. I've been watching you. They went to boarding school together with the global elite kids in Montauk, New York. They learned a classic Greek education based on the trivium and quadrivium. But they never graduated from said school. They simply disappeared, never to be heard of or found again. Well, folks, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when the market dumps on you? Yesterday, we were pitying this support line fool on old Swissy. To say that she didn't hold, well, that's quite the understatement. Cause price action saw a crack in old Swissy, and like a group of ravenous synchronized swimmers dying to enter the pool, she crushed through support, and she kept going, and going, and going, almost all the way down to the 200 moving average, a level we haven't seen since way back in, well, 2 weeks ago. when we broke to her upside at 39K. Now remember that number, won't you? Because if, and I say if, we consolidate and mince words down here for the next couple of days, we will carve out a bear flag. And the price probability on that flag is, sing it with me now. You take the pole, you slide it all the breakout point, and then we're all at 39K. Why you gots to, piano Matty B? Why you gots to? I don't like to. It's just what the data says, and when it comes to market data, I'm a sociopathic head-nodding company man who cares not for bulls nor bears. Now there is a bullish caveat to this bear flag. Homeopathically speaking, it's a long shot. But we saw it last time we had a significant dump, and that is a quick V-shaped recovery, like the last one. If we see that today, I suppose that would invalidate the bear flag nonsense. So keep your eye out on that one. While you're at it, put the eyes in the comment section for a little bit of moral market support, won't you? Now the bullish divergence of the kinky kind on the MACD and the RSI points to more consolidation rather than a reversal, but again, we'll keep our eye on that one, won't we, Nancy? I saw you there. Over on the daily, turned out that a technical thorn in our sides we talked about yesterday. Although a technical thorn in my side, if it were, is this bearish MACD cross, had more of an influence on price action than we bargained for. I wanted to point out some potential levels of ill repute that we could see just so the good, the bad, and the bearish are all out on the table. And that is 42.1, and of course the Rodney Dangerfield of moving averages, the 50 moving average, which could act as support way down at 41.6. And a quick look at the weekly still sees our shining beacon of hope holding on, and that's the bullish cross. Now when we look back at the last cross, it wasn't buy the scratch ticket, scratch the scratch ticket, and win the jackpot. No. We crossed, we went up, we came down significantly. Then we scratched the scratch ticket and pumped. So fractalaneously speaking, I've got my fingers crossed that we see something similar to that. So click it if you dig it. The subscribe button, that is, that'd be real proper like of y'all. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. I'll run the banks of Boom Dish Bank, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa. Make sure you like and subscribe.
All right.
Share
Piano Matty B bringing in our morning TA. What's some great information there? Great information. Yeah, so he had some bearish news. He's I guess let's jump into the charts here. Right here we got the Bitcoin USD chart coming at you from Coinbase. But yeah, if you're here in the chat, what's up? How you guys doing? You might be getting an ad right now. You might not. But that's just the way it's going. If you're not getting an ad, let me know. If you are getting an ad, I guess you're not going to know that I want to know. So it's just going to stay quiet here for a little longer. But we'll get this chart moved over. Let's see here if we can shift the chart over right here, or we can make me a little smaller over here. This would also help. All right, there we go. Now we can look at this chart. So Bitcoin coming at you at 43,434. Oh man, looks like we've had a pretty big pullback since 47,800 right here. We'll just wait a few more seconds here. See what's going on. And welcome back to the show. Yeah, some of you might have missed me. Some of you might have gotten an ad. I don't know how these ad things are working. But if you got an ad, let me know if you had that ad. If you didn't have an ad, let me know also. Let me know in the chat. And if you don't want to be getting these ads, one thing you can do is you can subscribe. If you subscribe to my channel, you will have no more ads, and you can watch the stream ad-free and enjoy all the benefits without the ads. And it would really help out. So we got some people saying they had some ads, man. So sorry if you didn't catch that TA. I'll go over it again. But yeah, if you don't want the ads, subscribe. Also, if you have Amazon Prime, you can link your Amazon Prime, and you can support the channel by subscribing with that Amazon Prime account. So that really helps out. Yep, ads. So everybody's having ads. Oh man. I mean, the ads really help the channel too. So I'm up to like 30 cents on ad revenue. So thanks for watching the ad. It really helps out too, and not leaving the stream. But yeah, so interesting stuff with Bitcoin. We have Piano Matty B over here talking about 39,000 Bitcoin. So if we look at the chart, that's going to be a little pullback, probably around right here. We'll see some resistance, some support, maybe all the way down to 37. So yeah, I totally see this happening. I don't think this will be something we're not going to see. I do think we'll probably see some lower numbers also. We probably see something like 29 or 30K Bitcoin imminent. This what I'm saying already. Man, 8 ads already. 8 ads. That's a lot of ads, man. That's a lot of ads. I'm sorry you guys have to watch those ads. But if you don't want 8 ads, then subscribe, man. It'd really help out. It'd help me start getting some better equipment. I got some better lights yesterday. Hopefully you guys could see me a little better. I don't know. I think it looks a little better. But yes, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Oh, so some people haven't had any ads. So interesting. Some people get ads, some people don't get ads. I don't know. But thanks, guys. So yeah, back to this chart. It looks like they were predicting 50,000 Bitcoin. A little spike of 50,000. Maybe we can go ahead and change this to the 4-hour chart here. Do it right here. So here's our 4-hour chart. You guys can see that. All right. And yeah, I'm thinking we're going to see a drop of at least, 30K. I will not be buying this dip. I don't think that this dip is a big dip. From 48,000 to 43, 5,000 loss. No. I will not be participating in this dip. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Let me know also what coins you guys are thinking. There's some things I want to talk about today. We can look at these coins. We could see these biggest gainers for today. We got these Bitcoin Metaverse, the Meta Dodgy Colony, and the DG Payment. But as you can tell, these coins probably a scam. I wouldn't touch these coins. We can look into them if you guys want, but don't recommend. Do not recommend these coins. But Bitcoin coming in at 43,000, down 1% for the daily and 6% on the weekly. So it's been a pretty bad week. Pretty bad week for Bitcoin this week. Ethereum coming at 3,000, down 1%, 3% for the weekly, almost 4%. Not having a good week either. We got some stable coins being stable. All right. XRP holding it for today, but down 4% for the weekly. So XRP is starting to retrace. Here's a coin that I think there was some negative news from the SEC, something warning about XRP holders. Let's see. Price test. $2 trillion crypto crash warning. Yeah. So XRP is trading at about 78 cents. I think if you can get it under 70 cents or around 70 cents, that's probably a good buy. I do predict XRP to go up once this lawsuit with the SEC is over. So XRP Ripple has been getting sued, so that caused the price to tank. It saw an all-time highs of what do we got here? $3, $3.37. And then they were sued. XRP is the most centralized coin, probably going to be used by the banks. The banks are going to use the blockchain system and XRP instead of Visa or MasterCard. This is what they're going to change into in the future. And as long as everything's secure. So the SEC wants to make sure they're doing everything by the book. They're not breaking any laws. They're not breaking any rules. So they're on it, you know. And they're suing. And they probably did that so they could bring the price down and try to buy in at a higher price. Man, I remember buying XRP when it was 30 cents back in the day. Whew. Look at this. Yeah, fractions of a penny back in the day. But yeah, XRP, interesting coin. Definitely something to keep an eye on. We'll keep going here. We got Solana down 2%, almost 3% for the daily, 10% for the weekly. Also not having a good week. Solana, one of my favorite coins, you know. It's a great coin, great coin. Terra Luna down 3%. Cardano down almost 1%, almost reaching back to a dollar level. So might be a good opportunity to scoop up some Cardano near $1 if you haven't had a chance to scoop it up. I think it probably dipped down below $1, and then that'd be some good buying opportunities. Avalanche down 1%, 14% for the weekly. Here's everybody's favorite meme coin, Dogecoin, down 3%, almost 4% for the daily. Weekly, it's been holding. It's been holding. They had that pump. It's been coming back down since the announcement of the acceptance of Dogecoins on these Bitcoin ATMs. But it looks like it's kind of holding. It's holding on for the weekly. Here we have some more stable coins. Shiba holding today, not really doing much today, but down almost 7% for the weekly. So Shiba also not having a good week. You know what? Let's just look at the biggest gainers for the day. We have Anchor Protocol coming in at number 93 with 8%, 20% for the weekly. So this is a coin I don't know anything about. Let's jump in and see what this coin is all about. ANC price live data. Live anchor price today is $334.34 with 24 trading value of that. We update. Okay. The current market cap ranking is 91 with a live market cap. Well, I saw it 93 right now. It has a circulating supply of 275,887,065 ANC coins and a max supply of 1 billion coins. So there you go. There's 1 billion coins, and this is how many are out. If you would like to know where to buy it, you can currently trading on Binance, OKX, DigiFinex, Femex, KuCoin. and our crypto exchange page. Okay, what is Anchor Protocol? Anchor Protocol is a lending and borrowing protocol offering up to 19% yields on stablecoin deposits. Lenders can deposit their UST and earn attractive rates on their investments while simultaneously benefiting from low volatility. Borrowers can turn their Luna collateral into productive assets without giving up control of it. So they're offering 19.5% on stable coins. 19 point, that can't be right. 19, almost 20%. 20% yields on this. And I guess they're using Luna. Anchor Protocol can thus attract risk-adverse investors looking into high-yield, low-volatility investments and increasing demand for USDT. For UST. This advances the adoption of UST and stablecoins subsequently, and adopting the Terra project and DeFi with increasing adoption of Terra, whose founders are being launched in Anchor Protocol with their price of Luna. So yeah, I don't know if you guys remember yesterday we were talking a little bit about Luna. This is the stable coin that the founder pledged to kill the DAO. So definitely something to be looking into. These Luna projects with these DeFi Luna projects are really interesting. Really interesting. It looks like they're able to provide very high yield. So if you want to stake $100, you'd be getting $19 back on yields. That's crazy. That's crazy. Those are crazy numbers. I'm definitely going to look into this a little bit more. I'll maybe see if I can stake some of this, and I'll show you guys how to do it. Who are the founders of Anchor Protocol? Anchor Protocol was founded on March 2021 by Terraform Labs, a South Korean fintech company founded by Daniel Shin and Dong Kwon. Dong Kwon, this is the man. This is the guy that promised to destroy the DAO, the Luna founder. So looks like he's got his a lot of his projects. His name is really coming up. I would definitely go give this guy a follow on Twitter and see what he has to say and what he's doing. It looks like everything he's touching is turning into gold, digital gold. So Dong Kwon, definitely somebody to follow. Terra Labs is also behind Terra Layer blockchain and has taken the DeFi space by storm, rising by 17,000% in 2021. Before launching Terra Labs, Mr. Known was CEO of Anify, a startup providing decentralized wireless mesh network solutions. Moreover, he previously worked as a software engineer for Microsoft and Apple. Mr. Shin co-founded and headed Ticketmonster, a major South Korean e-commerce platform. He also co-founded Fast Track Asia, a startup incubator that helps entrepreneurs build and functionize companies. What makes Anchor Protocol unique? Anchor stands out of countless other money marketing protocols like Aave and Compound thanks to its elegant user interface and simple to use functionality. The protocol's core value positions its connecting borrowers and lenders by offering them a formal way to borrowing stablecoins without forfeiting their investment and their lateral and attractive interest rates or stablecoins. Lenders connect their Terra Station wallet and deposit UST by paying a 160 USD transaction fee and earn the protocol's 15% annual interest rates on pro-rata basis for every block transaction. So I guess this is what you're doing. This is how they're able to pay out these 19.5% fees, transaction fees, when you're trading your 1-to-1, but instead of it being 1-to-1, it's 1-to-160. So you're losing 60 cents to every dollar. Interesting stuff. So are you really? I mean, if you have $100, you stake this, you're gonna lose 60 to every cent, every dollar. I think you're losing more than 20%, or maybe it's 19%. We'll do the math. We'll do the math, and we'll get back to you guys. All right. Borrowers bond their Luna tokens and receive Bluna, bonded Luna, in return. They can borrow up to 60% of their deposit collateral in UST and pay for the interest rates that are slightly higher than that paid to lenders. Bonded Luna can be bonded after 21 days, can be unbonded after 21 days. However, they also receive ANC tokens distributed by the protocol and incentive in its adoption. The protocol uses revenue from the spread between borrowers and lenders, interest rates, and earns staking rewards on Terra, which are being 5 to 7% annually. Anchor Yields is the protocol's treasury that covers its expensive when rates have not reached the stable equilibrium. For instance, during the summer of 2021, crypto market correction, Terraform Labs injected 70 million UST into Anchor's yield reserve to ensure protocol stability. This, how many Anchor Protocol coins are there in circulation? Okay, so yeah, Anchor Protocol seems legit, seems interesting. Definitely something I'm going to keep an eye on. Going to be looking at this. Let's see here. So it looks like it came out in March 2021 with an all-time high of $7. And then they've just been suffering, you know. Looks like they had some lows of $1.77 and some bigger lows of $1.35. And it seems like today it is what's today's price? $3.11. Looks like it reached a local high here in April of almost $6, and it's been falling back. So interesting coin. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Oh man, getting a little sleepy here. But yeah, interesting stuff. Interesting stuff here. The Daily Hodl. Man, what is this? 5 billion Bitcoin whale dives back into crypto market. Amazing. 3,241 Bitcoin in one day. Big whales, big whales, big whales coming in. You guys are a little quiet in the chat. We had some excitement earlier, but I like to hear what you guys are thinking, man. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this Anchor coin, Anchor Protocol. You guys going to be investing in this? Are you guys going to keep an eye on this? It's up 8%, you know. I wouldn't touch this right now. I'd wait for a bigger dip, but let me know if you guys, if this is something that would interest you. But yeah, the world's richest non-exchange Bitcoin BTC whale is once again diving into the market. The address, which holds 120 Bitcoin worth around 5.5 billion, has added another 3,000 Bitcoin as the flagship cryptocurrency floats at about 5% below its 7-day high. The whale, which is the third richest overall after the wallets controlled by the crypto access exchange, crypto exchanges Binance, Bitfinex, initially accumulated 289 BTC, and then another 2,952 Bitcoin on April 5th. The total value newly acquired by the BTC is slightly over 145 million. The whale's action in recent weeks have been about as volatile as the price of BTC, and this week's accumulation period comes after a series of major outflows. Interesting stuff. So is he is he accumulating for something? Is he what's up, Blue Pirate? Thanks for saying hi. Thanks for saying hi. Don't forget to like and subscribe. From March 21st to the end of March, the address appeared to have sold 3,000 Bitcoin, and from April 1st to the early hours of April 5th, another 4,500 BTC left in the wallet, bringing the total value of outflows to slightly over 336 million under 3 weeks. The on-chain analyst at blockchain analytics firm Glassnode says that April typically registered heavy buying for Bitcoin. An analyst at the firm, who goes by the pseudo Checkmate, says that both whales and holders with less than 1 BTC are now buying. A historically strong month for Bitcoin buy side. Same exchange outflow hit approximately 96,000 BTC per month, with shrimp and large whales leading the charge. We still need to see market flow through, but there's been an impressive volume taken off market recently. So yeah, the big whales are coming in. Whales are coming in, buying some Bitcoin. What do you guys think? Is this something that you guys think is going to move the market? Personally, this is interesting stuff, but I don't think so, man. I don't think so. I think it's interesting to see these dips when people are buying, you know? So doesn't really make sense to me. I mean, maybe he's buying, but he's selling somewhere else, you know? It's buying and selling, doing some wash trading. So I'm not really bullish on that. Not really bullish on that. Singaporean fintech adds Bitcoin payments for merchants with BitPay partnership. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Niam, a cross-border platform firm based in Singapore, has announced the launch of a new API-based solution that will allow businesses to start accepting cryptocurrency payments. As per the announcement, a newly launched product called Crypto Accept. They newly launched a product that's called Crypto Accept. It allows online sellers to accept Bitcoin and Ethereum before expanding to other digital assets in 2023. Payments are now sent in, Dogecoin and Shiba being added to that. Payments are sent into internet merchants' accounts in US dollars or other fiat currencies the next business day, allowing vendors to expand their market and enhance their online payment experience while avoiding price volatility. Lion partnered with crypto asset payment processor BitPay to launch the Crypto Accept feature. Consumers will choose their preferred cryptocurrency wallet or scan a QR code to complete the transaction. The service will verify digital currency is available and settle the transaction in the merchant's chosen currency. So yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. You can now pay with Bitcoin or Ethereum in Singapore. If you want to do some online transaction, that's good stuff, man. Good to hear. Good to hear. Also, let me know if you guys have any questions. Any questions? I know some of you guys are new to crypto. You guys might have some questions about market cap or price. So we could talk about that stuff. Bitcoin and crypto corrects 5% as markets brace for a biggest Fed rate hike. Yeah, so still these Bitcoin and broader crypto markets have corrected 5% as investors decide to turn risk adverse, preparing for the biggest federal rate hike earlier today. Bitcoin fell to a low of 42,700 before recovering back marginally. This is for the first time since March 24 that BTC has dropped under 43,000. The last 2 days, the world's largest crypto has corrected by more than 10%. Altcoins have witnessed similar drop with the top 10 altcoins correcting anywhere between 4 to 10%. Yeah. So yeah, this is bearish news. This is what I'm thinking. This stuff is going to move the market more. Yeah, so most of these top 10 coins not doing good. 5%, 2%. Stablecoin. Almost 10%. Solana. So, tough stuff, man. Tough stuff. What else do we have in the news for today? RLW, what are your top 3 coins today? So, you guys want top 3? I'm going to show the top 3 coins that I've been shielding. All right, with number 1 being XRP. Number 2, what am I going to show for number 2? Sandbox. I'm going to go with Sandbox. Number 2, Sandbox. We got Decentraland here. We got the Sandbox right here at number 2, down 7%. 11% on the weekly. The Sandbox. It's another metaverse token, kind of Decentralandish. It's been having a pretty bullish summer here. I guess spring. And it's having some fallback right now, so maybe a good time to buy in right now. Sandbox, something to keep an eye on. ApeCoin, interesting coin, up to number 46, down 15%. Waves down 51%. Interesting stuff. But I think I'm gonna go with Solana. So top 3 coins for me to show I would invest in. Solana down 8% for the weekly. You know, maybe buying this under $100. I would recommend a good buy if this holds back. Feels like summer. It's hot at work. It's so hot outside, man. Out here at the ranch, as you guys can see, we got these spiky plants because it's so hot. It's too damn hot out here at this Don Ron Bro Show studio. Oh, this heat. That old Texas heat. That's right. Solana. Get Solana under $100. Probably a good buy. I'll wait a little long. Maybe $80. Probably even better. Same thing for Cardano. Cardano, another good coin to buy. But XRP. Let's get XRP under 70 cents. So around 70 cent XRP. Solana around $100. And Sandbox. The Sandbox. Probably a good price to buy in. Probably about $250, something like that. Okay, so XRP is super interesting. Only 2 seasons in Texas, hot and hotter. That's right, Texas heat. That Texas heat, boy, is hot. So I do think XRP will drop a little bit more. I think they're trying to squeeze out a little bit more before the end of the of this lawsuit that they have going on. But I do see XRP maybe hitting 70 cents. What has been the weekly low here? It hit 58 cents. All right. 55 cents. Let's see here. 60 cents. So probably between here and here, I think maybe like 75 cents. I think XRP will drop. Maybe I think we're probably going to see a little bit more bearish action. Oh, man, the metaverse. I think so Ricky G313 asking about the metaverse here. And the metaverse, I think, is just booming. I think they've predicted of something around 13 trillion market cap for metaverse. My metaverse coins, I'm going to have to say, of course, the biggest metaverse coin out there right now, Decentraland, right here with the mana, bringing that mana. Good coin to buy. I remember getting mana at around $1 back in the day, so I was able to make some money with mana. Good decentralized coins. I have an account with Decentraland. I've played the game a little bit. Don't really think that it's up to date. I don't think that it's where it wants to be yet. It still has a lot of work to do. A lot of so the metaverse right now is having some problems just running. It's just heavy. It's just heavy in data, you know. And these Oculus and these virtual headsets, you know. It's hard to do the metaverse like with your phone or on your computer because most people don't have the processing power to be able to handle that sort of load. The Oculus and stuff, they're specifically made to handle that stuff, so they're doing it. But I think as time progresses, you know, all of our stuff is gonna get better. Yeah. So all of our technology will advance, and we'll be able to be in the metaverse with anything, with your computer, with your phones, and of course the price will lower, and it'll be more accessible to more people, and more people are going to jump into the metaverse. So yeah, I definitely think the metaverse is something to invest in. The Sandbox would be my coin. Also, the green metaverse token, the Steppen, you know, that Steppen right here. Sorry about that, guys. Got something in my throat. But yeah. Oh yeah, definitely the future of gaming. I don't think you can ever get away from traditional gaming as we know it now. But there's definitely going to be a lot of metaverse gaming in the future. There's a lot of people who just like to chill. If you just want to chill and hang out with your friends, maybe you don't have any friends in the real life. The metaverse is somewhere where you can definitely make some weird friends, you know. Maybe there's not that many weirdos around your small town where you're from, but once you jump into the metaverse there's plenty of weirdos there. You'll find all sorts of weird people from all over the world, and you guys can just be hanging out in the, yeah, just like Ready Player One. Exactly. You guys will be hanging out. You could be, you know, hating your life, but just living in the metaverse. So Steppen, having some retracement, as you can see here. It's been just pumping crazy the last month. So it's healthy to see it come back, you know. Maybe we can find some good price ranges at around $1. I recommend if you ever see this drop back down below $1, definitely scooping some of that up. But it's a little bit too pricey right now. But another metaverse token. Yeah, guys, yeah. Curve Dow. Ooh, Curve Dow looking like it's fallen. I am currently staking my curve. If you guys have that curve, don't forget to stake it. If you guys are holding these coins that you can stake, I highly recommend staking your coins, especially if you're a long-term hodler. If you're gonna hodl for like a year or so, might as well get some staking rewards by lending out your coins. You know, it's a great investment strategy. Also, start to stake your coins on a when the a red season. You know, when your coins are red, when your coins are low, that's when you want to buy and stake those coins. You don't want to buy a coin that's being hyped up, buy the top and then stake that, because even if you're gaining 20%, if the coin drops 50%, you're still down 30%. All right. So there's that. All right. We'll keep moving along here. Here are some bullish indicators. We'll skip that one. So here's a Bitcoin price prediction. As Bitcoin price hovers near 50-day EMA, is 40,000 possible. BTC price finds some solace after 2 days of the continuous sell-off. Yeah. So this is one of those buy the rumor, sell the news. You know, everybody's thinking that Bitcoin Miami, you know, all the Bitcoin people are going to be buying a bunch of Bitcoin or something. But, I mean, maybe they're not able to purchase as fast and as easy as they would be when they're out partying all the time. So you got some of the biggest names in crypto all in one place. Everybody's hanging out. Everybody's getting drunk. Everybody's just having a blast. You know, nobody's thinking about the price, like buying and selling. Nobody's sitting on their computer like, oh, this news is a bullish, is a bearish, and selling. You know, everybody's just hanging out, having a good time. So Bitcoin Miami maybe is doing it. I enjoyed it. Ho, ho, ho. Ricky G says he enjoyed Ready Player One. Ho, ho. Blue Powerade with the low blows. Ready Player One lame. Oh, man. Drama's in the chat. Drama. You guys keep it friendly down there. But, you know, feel free to express yourself. Let the people know what you're thinking. But let's stay friendly, guys. Let's stay friendly. Let's throw only jabs, not too many uppercuts. Boo! All right. I'm gonna take this time to also show you guys my garden again. If you guys are joining a little late, you guys weren't here in the beginning. This is my little Zen garden. I'm very proud of, as you can see. You can't really tell, but we got a big old yellow flower here. I don't know. It's yellow, not green. So maybe we can convince it to work with us here. But what do you think about my little garden? It's pretty cute. It's pretty nice. Just going to throw that in there real quick. I'm so proud of it. All right. Moving on. 40% of youngsters want to use crypto for payments. New research revealed. I don't think I'm considered a youngster anymore. I'm a little over the edge, but I myself would like to use crypto for payments. It makes it very easy for me sometimes. Crypto is rapidly gaining an appeal among youngsters' demographics, with 40% of 18 to 35-year-old consumers. I guess I do fall in that range, so that's me. I guess I'm still considered youngster for y'all out there. So if you don't know, Don Ron, bro, still a youngster. So you heard it here first. 18 to 35-year-olds expressing an intent to use cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, ETH, and stablecoins, and a lot of fucking noobs, Dogecoin and Shiba, apparently. To pay for goods or services within the next 12 months, according to the new research report. The report, dubbed Demystifying Crypto, shedding light on the adoption of digital currencies for payments in 2022, was presented at the Bitcoin 2022 conference in Miami on April 6th by global payments provider Checkout.com. It points to an increasingly positive trend in adoption for cryptocurrencies and online payments. That's right, guys. That's right. So if you want to make some Bitcoin payments and some Ethereum payments, just get with it, guys. Get with it. Yeah. I love this information. I want to be giving out $100 of Ethereum to any one of my followers. So let me guys show you right here. Yeah. So $1,000 giveaway. It's probably going to be Ethereum. If you want another coin, if you want Dogecoin, or if you want Shiba, yeah. So when I reach the 1,000 followers, I'm going to be giving away this $100 in the crypto, and you can do whatever you want with this. You can put it in a wallet and save it for plenty of years, or you can hook up your bank account to one of these exchanges and you can withdraw your money. All right, or hear me out, or you can send it to someone. You can leave it. You can purchase things on the internet. You can purchase hopefully something not illegal. There's plenty of legal things you can purchase online. You can purchase some NFTs. You can do something with it. All right. So I'm gonna be handing out $100 of probably Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency that you want. I already have the Ethereum to give away. And I'm just waiting for my 1,000 followers. So make sure to share the stream. Let all your friends know. Let your grandpappy know. Let your grandmommy know. And let them know that we're giving away free crypto out here to anybody that wants it. You know, you just gotta join the chat. Let me know. Up here, top Bitcoin whales bought the dip, adding 6,000 BTC in a day. So more whales buying the dip. More whales buying the dip. We got about 10 minutes left here in the show. If you guys have anything else that you guys want to talk about, just let me know. We're gonna be wrapping it up here. Looks like we still have a few more viewers, and if you guys have some questions about crypto that you don't understand, I would gladly help you guys out with this. Here we have the crypto bull over there at Bitcoin Miami. It looks pretty cool. So if you haven't seen your friends, start posting pictures with him there. They definitely will. We can also see fiat currency criticized. All right. So here's some images coming out. There's more than two sides of a debate. Andrew Yang out here says people respond to Bitcoin ideology, and the U.S. is getting more and more polarized. This is true. This is very true. I'm trying to see some pictures here of the crowd. So the crowd's rolling in. Oh man, look at this. We got a lot of people there at Bitcoin Miami. I really regret not going, man. I really wish I was there. I really just zoned out, didn't think about it. Working on the stream and all, but I'll definitely be there next year. Hopefully, I can come out live for you guys and show you what the news is all happening. Bitcoin Miami. All right. So, I think that's it for the day. It's been a pretty good stream. If you guys are just jumping in, sorry to hear that. I'm about to end the stream. If there's any lost thoughts or anything else you guys want to say, you guys want to shout out, you guys want to say what's up, you guys want to say goodbye, anything else, but we're going to be wrapping it up here. So I'll give you guys some more time to think about it. But thanks for stopping by, and I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'm gonna go get a haircut with my boy Mark, so tomorrow I'm gonna be looking fresh, and then tomorrow I'll be back at the beach. I'm gonna be heading the beach, so I'm gonna hit the stream and then I'm gonna hit the beach, and I'll come back on Monday with a nice tan. So I'll see you guys.